Welcome to our guide on the top 11 superfoods for a healthy heart. Today, we explore foods that support heart health. Stay tuned to learn how these foods can benefit you. Superfood number 1, asparagus. Asparagus is a nutrient-rich vegetable beneficial for heart health. It contains high levels of folate, a vitamin that helps to reduce the amino acid homocysteine, which is linked to an increased risk of heart diseases. The fiber in asparagus also aids in improving digestion and reducing cholesterol levels. Additionally, it is a source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative stress. Including asparagus in your diet can contribute to overall heart health due to its combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Superfood number 2, chia seeds and flax seeds. Chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent for heart health due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease. They are also rich in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol and maintain heart health. Moreover, these seeds contain lignans, compounds that have been shown to reduce atherosclerosis. Regular consumption of chia and flax seeds can contribute significantly to a heart-healthy diet. Superfood number 3, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, can be beneficial for heart health. It contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that help to improve blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Dark chocolate also helps in improving blood flow to the heart and brain, and reducing the risk of blood clots. Additionally, it may help in lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, levels. However, it's important to choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and low sugar for the best heart health benefits. Superfood number 4, coffee. Coffee, often enjoyed by many, can be beneficial for heart health when consumed in moderation. Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart failure and stroke. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. It also contains compounds that may help improve blood vessel function. However, it's important to consume it without excessive sugar and cream to maximize its heart health benefits. Superfood number 5, liver. Liver is a nutrient-dense food that can contribute to heart health. It is one of the best sources of iron, which is essential for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Liver is also rich in coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, an antioxidant that helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and protects the heart. Additionally, it contains folic acid and vitamins B12 and B6, which are important for reducing homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease. Including liver in a balanced diet can provide these essential nutrients for heart health. Superfood number 6, spinach. Spinach is an excellent food for heart health. Packed with numerous nutrients, it is high in nitrates, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Spinach is also a great source of potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which are beneficial for heart health. Its high fiber content helps in cholesterol management and overall cardiovascular health. Moreover, the vitamins and minerals in spinach support healthy blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Superfood number 7, tomatoes. Tomatoes are a heart-healthy food rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which are all important for maintaining heart health. Tomatoes help in reducing bad cholesterol levels and blood pressure, further contributing to cardiovascular health. Their low calorie and high water content make them an excellent addition to a heart-healthy diet. Superfood number 8, vegetables. Vegetables in general are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. They are rich in dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improves heart health. Vegetables are also abundant in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect the heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of a variety of vegetables ensures an intake of essential nutrients that support overall cardiovascular health. Superfood number 9, oatmeal. Oatmeal is highly beneficial for heart health due to its high soluble fiber content. This type of fiber helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. Oatmeal also contains beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels. It's a source of antioxidants that help prevent inflammation and protect the heart. Regular consumption of oatmeal as part of a balanced diet can significantly benefit heart health. Superfood. Number 10. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are excellent for heart health. They contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which are beneficial for the heart. Nuts also offer antioxidants and nutrients, like vitamin E, which help reduce the risk of heart disease. Their intake is associated with lower cholesterol levels and reduced risk of developing blood clots. Eating a small amount of nuts regularly can be a heart-healthy choice. Superfood number 11. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its benefits for heart health. It is loaded with antioxidants, specifically catechins, which help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of stroke. It also aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can offer significant heart health benefits. Many face challenges in maintaining heart health, such as high cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation. Including these superfoods in your diet can help address these issues. Start by introducing one new superfood into your diet each week. Gradually increase portions and combine different superfoods for varied nutrition. Take the first step towards a healthier heart. Start by adding one superfood to your diet today. Remember, small changes can make a big impact on your health. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.